Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. Today I'm doing a warm winter cozy makeup look. It's essentially what I'm wearing right now. So if you want to know how I achieved this makeup look, keep on watching. Eyeshadow. So the only eyeshadow palette that I'll be working on with today is it's windy today. It's the Makeup Revolution Mother of Dragons palette. Now if you don't have that, any fall like palette with warm colors should be fine. The first color that I will be going in with is the House Blackfyre, which is this one right here. It's a little bit like a burgundy red for those of you who might have that color in another palette. Then I have a big fluffy brush like so, and I might be going in with a flat brush later for my lower lashes, but why won't it focus? There. That is what that looks like. And I want to put that in the outer corner of my eye and just keep it right here. I don't want to bring it up into my crease. I just want to keep it right here. And then bringing it to my lower lash line about halfway on to basically my pupil. And let's get into it. Then I would just use the same brushes but wipe them down to go in with the next color, and that is Bravery, which is this color right here. And that I just want to put on my lid, bringing it out into meeting the burgundy plum color. It looks a little plum on me, so maybe that is where we're leaning towards. And bringing it to my lower lash on the inner corner part as well. Then I have wiped off the brush and I'm just gonna go lightly underneath with no added product, just to blend the two colors a little bit, but not removing any of the color, which is why I'm using the same brush. Then I want to move on to mascara, and I'm gonna curl my lashes first. And then I'm taking my Maybelline The Colossal mascara that looks like this, and I'm putting that on my upper lashes for now, and then I will see if I'm in the mood for more. I think I'm just gonna leave it with only putting mascara on my upper lashes, but I think with this you need to figure out what works best for your eye shape and your lashes. And if you're lacking in lashes and you feel like it's a little off, you can go ahead and put on some natural looking false lashes to give yourself a little bit of a boost in that area. And then I want to take an eyeliner pencil, and I'm just taking one, doesn't have a name, anything, unbranded, and it looks like this. And I'm just going to apply that to the outer half of my upper waterline. What this is going to do is thicken up your lashes. Well, they will look thicker. And it might even make them look like you're wearing fake lashes when you're not. Also, I like to only do it in the outer half because then it doesn't bleed down. I have a problem with that. It bleeds down to my lower lash line, and it does maybe a little bit in the outer corner here, but that's fine. I want it darker in the outer corner, but unless I'm wearing dark makeup underneath in the inner corner, I don't like putting it there, just because throughout the day it would just look messy and undone. But keeping it up in the outer corner of your eye, or the outer half of your eye, it will reduce that and make it look nicer for the whole day. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put on some highlighter. I know, so that sounded Australian. I know for some people that they may not see a difference to the camera, but I do in real life, so I'm gonna put it on so that it completes the look. So if you do see a difference, you know what I put on to make it different. And I'm just gonna take the Makeup Revolution Take a Breather in the pink right here, and just a big fluffy brush for the larger areas of my face, and then an eyeshadow brush for my eyebrow bone, cupid's bone, nose, and then that is it. I'm not gonna put anything on the inner corners of my eyes because that would be such a contrast. It would ruin the look. And the last thing that I need to do is set it with some setting spray, and I'm taking the W7's vitamin C Fixer that looks like this. And I don't need to keep this one at a distance. It sprays quite nicely, so maybe it was just a one-off. The other one that needed distance because it had some force to it. And there you have it, a cozy winter cabin. I don't know what I will name this video yet, but a cozy winter makeup look. I think it's cozy because it has those warm tones to it, and it makes it a little bit sultry, and at the same time I think it's perfect for winter and fall technically as well. But I think it just fits so well with the darker season, and you can wear this during the day, and I think for summer you would have to wear this. I think it fits better in the evening. But it's definitely, the shades of the colors make it more autumn winter colors than summer colors, but they're absolutely gorgeous together, and it's so easy to do this makeup look. It's so hard to mess up because you're using a big fluffy brush, you are placing it in the outer corner and then in the inner corner, and it's so hard to mess up when you're using a big fluffy brush because it's meant to be a little messy. It's not meant to stay inside the lines, so it's definitely perfect for beginners. And that is all I have for you today. And if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and a comment down below. And if you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you'll be notified when I upload a video. And I do appreciate every single one of you who have subscribed, the ones that like, the comments, and the views. Thank you so much. I appreciate it so much. It warms my heart. And I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!